Day one of the cutting program, and this is exactly what I love about dieting. All the cardio, great fun. Let's get this video started. A very good morning to you, and welcome back to another video. Now, firstly, if you're new at the channel, my name is Harry Ely, personal trainer of over 20 years and a competitive athlete for the last 7 years. Okay, so we got that bit done and out the way with. So, today's video is about weight loss. I'm just going to jump straight into the deep end, and this is purely going to be about my weight loss mission. So ask yourself the big question. During lockdown, did you gain much weight? The chances are, like most people, probably yes. Me, I gained 10 kilos during lockdown. So that's why I'm deciding to document these videos to help you guys lose weight, and also so you can see my weight loss journey, because I want to get rid of that 10 kilos and I want to get back into super duper shape, and I want to have fantastic abs. We're going to look at the first meal of the day. So for me, my first meal is always eggs. Here it is. How appetizing is that? By the way, I'm at work. This is my work canteen. This is not my kitchen, in case you're looking thinking, ugh, his kitchen's not very nice. Anyway, first meal of the day is eggs. Now this is 5 eggs. There's 3 yolks in there and 5 egg whites. So that's my first meal. Before I had my eggs, start the day. I thought that was decaf there. Nobody has decaf. So first thing is first, coffee in the morning. Then after coffee, obviously I'm at work, I will have my eggs. It is currently 8 AM and my next meal will be around about 10:30, and then at lunchtime I'll be teaching a body pump class. So quite a busy morning. I'm going to be documenting everything for you guys to see. So I'm going to get these eggs down my neck, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's mid-morning snack time, a little bit peckish, so I want to try and keep the carbs down. So I'm going to have one of these delicious Grenade carb killer bars. Not too bad. Remember, these are just supplements. Don't try to replace food with supplements. Always try to get good quality food in you. But it's as handy as a snack, just mid-morning before I teach class later on. And I'm going for a bit of a yogurt phase. I'm not really a massive yogurt person, but these yogurts with what we've got there, high in protein, ideal as a little snack. And I won't eat all of that. I'll only eat about half of it, washed down with one of these Grenade bars. This is my mid-morning snack for the day, and then going to be teaching body pump in about 1 hour's time. So hopefully it'll be digested, give us a little bit of energy, and keep the carbs down, keep the protein high. So that is meal number 2 of the day. Let's see what meal number 3 is going to be.
Yeah, we are never ever going home. Yeah, we are never ever going home.
Hang on a second, I kind of talk this up. Okay guys, that is body pump done. Whew, I'm knackered now. So it is now 1 PM. I've showed you breakfast, which was just eggs, low carb. I have showed you mid-morning, which was some yogurt and a protein bar. Now that I've finished work and I've finished teaching body pump, I'm going to go home and I'll show you what the next meal is going to be. So you can see already today, it's only just gone past lunchtime. Done a 45-minute body pump class, kept the carbs low, and this is pretty much how each day is going to be diet-wise. And of course, there'll be the resistance training as well. I normally train in the evening, so but today I'm having an actual day off because I'm teaching body pump again tonight. So I'm having a day off from doing my weight training in the gym. Normally I'll do resistance training at around about 6-7 o'clock at night. Okay, so I'm going to go home now and prepare my next meal, which is probably going to be chicken and rice, depending what's in the fridge. So I will see you guys back at the kitchen. See you in a minute. So I'm just getting back in the car after teaching body pump because I wanted to document what my next meal is going to be, and I just remembered I haven't got any chicken in the house. I've got no chicken. I was going to go home and I was going to document what my next meal is going to be, because today we're going to be documenting all my meals to show you, you know, what I eat to lose weight. I ain't got no chicken in the house. So, slight change of plan. I was going to go home and cook some chicken and rice to show you how basic and standard it is, meals prepping when you lose weight. And this is exactly why I always encourage people to meal prep, be consistent and prep your meals, because times like now, I'm going to go home and I ain't got no chicken. So, plan B. Always going to have a plan B. Now, in Newcastle, there's a chain of like health food restaurants called the Naked Deli. Link will be in the description. And they do some great meals. So we're going to jump in the car now. We're going to drive to Gosforth. I'm going to grab a Naked Deli meal, probably something like sweet potatoes, chicken. It is a little bit more pricey than if I was doing it myself. But, you know, I'm trying to keep this diet tight because I am desperate to get this weight off and get shredded and show you guys how it's done. Because it isn't rocket science. It is just calories in versus calories out. Do your cardio, do your fitness classes, do your weight training, and you will see the results. Except, you know, in a modern day lifestyle, sometimes you get caught off guard. Like today, I ain't got no chicken in the fridge, so I'm gonna have to go and buy a meal. But, you know, saying that, what you don't want to do is think, oh, I've got no chicken in the fridge, I'm hungry, I'll go to Greg's, I'll go to McDonald's. Try not to do that. Okay, so I'm going to quickly get the Naked Deli and I'm going to show you guys what food I'm going to eat, and I might even pop in and see my friend Big J, the tattooist, because he also works in Gosforth, and I'm going to the Naked Deli in Gosforth. So let's get some food because I am clamming, as they say in Newcastle. Oh, and one quick other thing, I don't know if you can see this, look at this, the temperature, let's just flip the camera, 26.5 degrees. Wow, it is absolutely, I'm boiling. And typical, my car, the air conditioning doesn't work. So I'm sitting here sweating away. But that might be a good thing, because if I'm sweating, that means my body temperature is high. That means my body is burning more calories to try and cool it down. And that means more calories lost means more weight lost. Well, theoretically anyway. Okay, food time, let's go. Bye. Yeah, looks pretty shut to me. So there you have it. The Naked Deli is shut. Typical. I didn't realise it was going to be shut. So the Naked Deli was plan B. Plan A was to go straight home and cook some chicken and rice, but I didn't have any chicken in the fridge. So I went for plan B, which was go to the Naked Deli, and it's shut. I'm running out of plans. I'm running out of options, but I do have plan C. Okay, so plan A was chicken and rice at home, no chicken. Plan B, Naked Deli, which is shut. Plan C is pop in to my friend Big J, his tattoo shop. I'm sure he'll have something in his fridge, because he actually works for a company called Spoonhead Nutrition, and they do all the meal preps. So I'm going to be really, really cheeky here and see if he's got any food in his fridge. So that is plan C. Plan C, or plan 3, is to go to my tattoo shop friend and see if he's got any food I can beg him for. Please give me some food, please give me some food, because I'm hungry. And if he hasn't got any food, God knows what plan D is going to be, because plan A, plan B and plan C have already failed. Let's see if plan C works. No, we'll get you on it, don't worry. So plan A was finishing the gym, going home on chicken and rice, but I didn't have any chicken. Plan B was to go to the Naked Deli and get some food from there. Naked Deli shut. So plan C was pop in and... You got it. Yeah. So plan C was to go and see my main man Big J and see if he's got any food in the fridge. You got any food in your fridge? Yes, I have got food. Yes, so he has got food in his fridge. Plan C. Okay, you don't mind if it's on YouTube, do you? Don't worry, I'll not get your clients on their camera. Why not? Oh, I don't mind if you don't mind. Okay, so there we have somebody wincing in pain. Don't forget, if you want a tattoo, link in the description, you know where to come. Right, get some food. Oh, we got chili, salt and pepper with chicken. Oh, we've got beef ragu with macaroni. And as you can see, Spoonhead Nutrition. I will put a link in the description. But if you live outside the Newcastle area, I very doubt they're going to deliver. Isn't that right? Right, so that is meal number 3 done. My friend Big J saved me. Thank God he had some meal preps in his fridge, which are by a company called Spoonhead Nutrition. Now, these videos documenting what I'm eating on a daily basis to show you guys how to lose weight, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to be honest, okay? Because as a personal trainer, the problem I have is when my clients leave the gym and go home, I have got no idea what they're doing. You like to think that your clients are going home and eating sensible and eating good, but that's never usually the case. Sneaky little buggers. Okay, so today I'm going to be honest. I'm going to show you my little treat for the day. Obviously, when I'm really in extreme dieting, I would never have these little treats. But this is my treat for the day. I've never had one before. I looked and I thought, well, it looks kind of healthy. It'd be great if it was low carb, low sugar, low fat, high in protein, but I very doubt that. It's called a Florentine, and I got that from the Deli Espresso, which is one of my favorite little coffee shops I like to go to. I'll just point the camera down so you can have a look at this bad boy. Wow, now check it out. I've got no idea what's in it. It looks like chocolate on my fingers. I don't know what it is. Almonds, raisins. I hope that's a cherry, not a chili. But either way, yes, I know people might be watching this going, oh, well, that's not very good to eat when you're on a diet. And it's true. But at the same time, if you put the hard work into it, the dedication, you do your cardio, you do your weight training, you keep active, a little treat like this isn't too bad. Okay, so that is my little treat for the day. Now, I did say earlier that I wasn't going to train later. I was just going to do that class before, but I've decided, oh God, it's hot, that I'm going to train. And I'm going to be doing a session at Pure Gym. Pure Gym, they're a little bit of a nightmare for letting you record in there, and plus it's all very weird with social distancing, so obviously I'll not be able to document me training a session there. I think I'm going to do a chest session. So yeah, that's more calories burned, more training, and I am literally, look at the sweat, cooking in this car. And now it's time to eat my Florentine. Wow. It's like a... Have you ever had a dime bar? Wow, that is serious. If you've ever had a dime bar, it's like a big dime bar. I know you should never eat with your mouth full. Sorry, you should never talk with your mouth full, so I do apologise. So I'm going to switch the camera off and I'm going to eat this in peace. Okay? See you guys soon.